Finally, what is happening, boys and girls? This is your captain speaking here at the Beaming Contemporary Art Gallery here sa Estancia. Kita mo ba to?
Yeah.
Pag nakikita nyo to, in my previous interviews, parang ako lang yung tumatanda sa aming dalawa eh.
Oh, wow.
Kasi nung una ko siya nakilala, naka-mask. Nung wala siyang mask, parang hindi naman siya nagbago ngayon eh. Pero,
Pumayat.
Sige, we'll get into that. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Kevin Raimundo, also known as Tarantadong Kalbo.
Yan. Hi, guys. Welcome to Kalbo Gift Shop. Yan.
Yan. Dami pa rin tao. Let's just do a quick time check. It's already past 9. Ang dami pa rin tao sa Kalbo Gift Shop. Pero let's talk about it real quick. Bakit mo siya naisip gawin na as a gift shop?
Okay, so medyo mahabang story to, no? So, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, last October, na-rush ako sa ER. So, madami akong sakit. And then, si Avi of V-Meme Gallery, patagal na namin siyang friend. And then, in-offer niya sa amin yung space here sa Estancia and then meron pa siya isang...
Sa Alabang.
Yan. Para gawing, noong una, gift shop lang. So, para akong tinanggal sa Comiket na comics convention. Dito ako maglalatag sa gallery. This is a very unusual setup kasi it's a gallery. So, puro mga paintings yung nakalagay dyan and very bougie yung mga duwadaan na tao. Kasi mga social, so naninibago sila na ba't may tote, ba't may pa-tote dito, or ba't may prints and stickers, ganyan. So, yun yung kakaiba dun sa gift shop. Tapos, yung conceptualization ng gift shop, gusto ko kasi ibalik yung gift gate. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung naalala niyo pa yung gift gate, but gift gate was the stationery store way nung 90s. So, yung mga taga St. Paul, ganyan, pupunta sila sa Mega Mall or kung saan nearest na branch. And then, nandun yung Sanrio, like Hello Kitty, mga ganon.
Yung mga international toys kasi na
May Lego.
Oo, may Lego. Dun mismo sa gift kit nila nilalagay. Kaya, when I saw nakita ko nga yung red, parang sabi ko, parang siyang pamilya na Pero buti na lang, it has your face all over it. And yun nga, nabanggit mo yung hospitalization mo. How are you feeling now?
So, buti na lang, nasa stable na yung condition ko ngayon and super happy naman ako. The meds are working. Actually, naka-maintenance na ako. I have that huge box ng Monday to Sunday na pill box.
Oh, di ba meron yung mga Monday, Tuesday, morning, afternoon, evening?
Yeah. It's ganun sa kadami.
And nung binanggit sa akin yung presyo, hindi biro yung parang feeling ko ako rin yung magkakasakit nung binanggit sa akin yung presyo.
Sabi nga sa akin ng isang friend ko, kaya ayoko magpapa-check up eh. Kasi dun ka magkakasakit.
Yun nga. And hindi, nung binanggit niya kanina, ni TK dun sa speech niya kanina, the reason he's fighting for this, the reason he's doing this is because gusto pa niyang humaba yung buhay niya. Regardless kung ano man yung mga atake sa kanya from his page, yung people who supported you when it was mentioned na it was announced about your condition, ano pakiramdam mo nun when you see the help was coming in?
Okay, so medyo mixed feelings na. So, kasi nung nasa hospital bed ako, yung wife ko yung nag-handle ng social media.
Yeah.
And she had to post literally links to bank accounts. Kasi nga, it's a fund, kailangan niya mag-raise ng funds. Dahil super mahal ng yung patak ng metro sa hospital talaga. It's really unforgiving.
Hindi madali.
So, nung nilabas yung PubMat, of course, expected na yan. The trolls will talaga.
I've seen those. Parang sinasabi nila, sinasabi ng mga trolls na to, nagpadala daw sila sa'yo. May pumasok ba?
Meron! So ako parang, okay, thank you. Pero yun nga, ako sanay na ako with handling trolls. I've been handling TK for 5 years na eh.
Oo.
So it's automatic na sa akin na parang, okay, it's this type of post na ang daming noise. Pero medyo na disheartened lang ako kasi it's my wife. So parang, talaga, kahit hindi pala ako, kasi gagawin niyo pa rin yun. Wala kayong, sense of boundaries. So, yan. Pero yun nga, ang dami ding tumulong talaga. So, the offset din yung that bad feeling.
When Dara, Kevin's wife, mentioned to me yung mga taong lumapit sa'yo, parang ako yung na-shock na parang ang dami nila. That also, sabi ko nga, that also tells what kind of value you place to everyone's lives in the world of technology and the toxicity of social
Yeah.
media.
Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm siya. Actually, pinanong ko yung isa ko ding friend who is a doctor. Sabi ko, kasi apparently, ang daming doctors na nag-offer ng help to nagamutin ako for free. I-waive nila yung ano nila. Sabi ko, nakakapagtaka naman yun kasi I'm a political commentarist. Bakit ganun sila to help? Ang sabi sa akin, kasi during that time, nung pandemic, ako lang yung one of the few who were empathizing with what they were going through. So parang tinanaw nila yun na malaking utang na loob. And they're just giving back the help.
This guy and I can talk all day about everything under the sun. Pero mabilisan lang, let's talk about what they'll be expecting at the Calbo gift shop.
Okay, so meron tayong here. Something that you can buy. So we have pins, we have standees, yung parang K-pop standee na acrylic. And then,
Tinitingnan ko kanina yan eh. Nangangati yung kamay kong kunin eh. Alam mo
Diba?
yun? Oo.
super unique nung merch. And then, yung usual na prints, pero merong mga bagong designs na nilabas specifically, exclusively for the gift shop. Tapos iba-iba ding sizes, merong framed. And then, yung tote bags, yung pinaka-highlight. Actually, nahirapan pa akong maghanap ng supplier because I didn't want to settle dun sa parang just a tote bag that you usually see. Yung wife ko, may specifications pa siya, may measurement pa yon. Ano yung toteable, like what's a toteable bag? And then yung design niya, I made sure na mahihirapan kayong pumili. So you have to buy like everything. Super mahirap siya pamili. Like gusto mong pumili na tatlo siguro.
At mahirapan kayo mamili dito. Pero kung marami lang akong pera at lahat ng tote bags na yan, kasi
Oh, wow.
kaya ko siyang i-7 days ng one per day.
Actually, yun yung di ba? Yung tote bag kasi can parang magpa-swap, magpalit-palit.
Oo.
Pero, but hindi ka naman talo sa isang tote bag because may design siya both sides na magkaiba. So, depende sa mood mo kung alin yung gusto mo ipakita.
Totoo. Kaya nga, nung tinanong ko, ano bang design na maganda, parang I'm having difficulty choosing the colors na, no. With all of these, no, until January pa to.
Until end of January.
Oh yeah, until end of January. And I heard itong mga paintings mo dito sa loob are for sale?
Oh, yeah. So, medyo habang nagre-rest pa tayo from doing cons, medyo nag-double ako into painting. And to discover ko, actually, ang sarap pala mag-paint.
Well, sometimes it can be therapeutic, diba?
It's very therapeutic for me. So, itong mga nilabas ko na pieces, actually dalawang set siya. Yung isa, it's a 3-piece set na 4x4 feet. So, super laki na acrylic paintings. Medyo mahaba yung kwento kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Actually, napanood mo na kanina. And,
Yeah, I did.
And baka naiyak ka.
I did kasi alam mo yung sasabihin ko dapat na naiyak ako sa pagkanta mo kanina because of that.
Na-trauma ka ba?
Hindi. Pero yung the message you give out, kasi through that art, hindi madali yun.
Hindi siya madali.
Um,
Very personal talaga. And it's like, I'm opening myself up.
and in the process, nung sinabi mo nga yung kwento behind it, sabi ko sa sarili ko, I'm glad I'm alive in a generation, in a period where I get to appreciate how it is like to be young. Diba?
Yes.
Yun yung ano nito eh. Parang feeling ko, kung hindi tayo magkakilala like before pa, tapos nakita ko na naglalakad lang ako dito. Because when back in the 90s, naglalakad ka dun sa Mega Mall, dun sa 4th floor.
Sa
yung mga
4th floor kasi puro gallery. Actually, I do that.
Oh, yun. At tahimik kasi doon. Kaya pwede ako maglakad doon. Wala masyadong tao. So, eto, no, nakita ko to para sabi ko, uy, ang ganda. Parang, kanina, bago ako pumasok, I was standing there. Tinitingnan ko lang, sabi ko, ang sarap sa mata. Kaya nga, tinanong ko si Uraya kanina. He was happy na this happened. He was thankful na nangyari to kasi they love, every one of them sa B-Meme, love your work. Kaya nung nagkaroon sila ng opportunity, syempre, sino ba naman magdadalawang isip noon, di ba? So, eto, what can you say about it?
Okay. So, alam mo ba, itong the whole painting thing, sobrang baliw niyan kasi like, a week before opening, dun ko siya naisip. Like, namimili, yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, namimili lang kami sa Mercury Drug ng gamot. And then parang siyang light bulb na ting! Alam ko na kung ano yung idea ko for a painting. Actually, si Avi, na partner ni Uriah dito sa Vimy, binigyan niya ako ng canvas for free. Sabi niya, if you want to, mag-paint ka lang, ganyan, ito yung mga canvas that you can use. So ako, nag-iisip ako, ano ba pipaint ko? Like, is it something like decorative, ganyan? Pero hindi talaga eh. TK is never just about aesthetics. Meron siya palaging, alam mo yan, may hugot siya palagi.
May message eh.
May message siya eh.
Kaya nga siya nagiging like or laugh react depende doon sa message na binibigay mo because they can relate, because they understood eh. Kaya nga sinabi ng Bimin kanina na na they're happy na nangyari na to.
And nagulat ako kasi ine-expect ko na yung rejection na parang, okay Kevin, medyo kumalma tayo. Hindi,
You're expecting rejection?
Kasi it's 3 fucking pieces and 40 panels. So parang ang ina-expect ko na Kevin medyo i-temper mo yung expectation. But no, sabi nila let's do it. And super grateful ako with how they handled me. Actually hindi ako sanay na gano'n yung parang i-feed natin yung kung ano yung creative.
So, wala kang restrictions.
Wala akong restrictions. Ang una kong naisip na idea was the 40 panels.
Oo.
And then nung pinagbigyan nila ako, lalo akong naging parang shit, parang may naiisip pa akong more. And very conducive siya sa pagiging creative. And yun yung na-appreciate ko din sa team nila. They were willing to help, they were willing to buy the materials, ganyan. Kasi nga, di ba, I can't
Of course.
haul everything sa bahay, ganyan. Tapos meron pa yung logistics like, okay, we can help you, dito ka muna mag-paint, pwedeng sa bahay nyo, hatiin mo na natin, gano'n. Whatever works for me. Kaya makikita mo rin yun dun sa final na look ng painting. Nakaka-happy talaga siya.
Oo. And that's what got me, nung tumayo ako sa labas, sinabi pa sa akin, pasok po kayo, sir. Uminto lang ako kasi I was looking at it because I just was mesmerized with the work. Ito, finally, si Sir Toyn Imaw kanina.
Parang kinakabahan ako dun sa...
Hindi, huwag kang kabahan kasi I was asking him for feedback. I was asking him to send a message. Ang sabi niya, Kevin, pintor ka na. Ano masasabi mo doon?
Yes, pintor na po ako. I really love it. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na dahil ito na yung gusto kong i-venture moving forward, hindi na ako magiging comic. Of course, nandyan pa rin yung The TK page, maglalabas, mag-iiba lang yung setup in a way na mas fewer conventions siguro. Fewer convention appearances. And may mas I'm trying to do another show, ibang theme naman.
Uy, ibang first time to, baka hindi nyo pa alam yun. Ako, that's an exclusive. Ako, ang message ko lang, my personal message lang is, ang dami mong nagawa for the people, for the community, for the nation as a contributor sa pagbibigay, from giving nostalgia to giving your political commentaries. I just love how you portray it in your own way. Hindi ka kumopya ng style or strategy, which is one of the reasons why I appreciate your work. Kaya when you send me that invite, sabi ko, okay, let's go. Kasi gusto kong makita paano ngayon tong isang
ibang era
ito na ba yung pintor art ni Tarantadong Calvo. Parang ang saya nun,
Yeah.
doing that on canvas.
Pwedeng mag-collide yung comics and painting. Actually, super dami ka nang naiisip na ideas. Alam mo yung parang, ano na yung next? Let's do it. Parang ganun.
Pero syempre, ipapahinga mo muna yan.
Of course, priority muna natin yung health natin.
And this is the reason why I'm interviewing him. This is the reason why I'm here. This is the reason why I am telling you to go to the Calvo Gift Shop. If you're at the northern area, dito lang yung sa Estancia sa Pasig. If you're at the south, nandiyan yung sa Alabang. In the description kung saan yun siya pwedeng puntahan. At saka, sige, popost ko na rin yung kung magkano para makapaghanda na kayo ng... Kasi nakita ko yung presyo.
Napa-pearl clutch ka ba?
Hindi. Wala kasing tubig, hindi ako makainom kagad. pero if you think about it, yung perang binibigay mo, not only you get a piece of Tarantadong Kalbo's artwork, his masterpiece, but also you get to help him sa gusto niya mangyari. Please take this opportunity to thank everyone na pupunta at invite mo rin yung mga pupunta pa.
Okay, so from now until end of January, open ang Kalbo Gift Shop. Daan lang kayo sa Estancia and sa Alabang. Palagi ko nakakalimutan yung Alabang. Kasi it's super far. Dulo ng mundo ko yun.
Oo.
Pero yung sa Alabang, mas malaki yung gallery. So, mas madami kayong makikita doon na wala din dito. So, at least yung mga tao from Alabang, may unique sila na papupuntahan doon. And yung mga taga dito naman sa Pasig, iba namang experience.
Para pag pumunta ako doon sa Alabang,
Note ko lang, I would do note. So, yung paintings, this is my first work na nilabas. So, you think about that when if you consider buying one. This is my first.
yung first na yan, parang feeling ko na nakita ko yung gawa niya, parang ang tagal mo nang ginagawa to, you've been doing so. I feel, and please correct me if I'm wrong, etong mga nilagay mo sa canvas is one of a kind.
Yeah, one of a kind. This is my first. Talaga in-emphasize yung first.
Oh!
And then, ang laki niya is 4x4 feet. Tapos yung isa naman, 40 panels. Unique yun, hindi siya print, wala siyang kopya. If you get it, ikayo lang yung meron nun.
You have an...
And hindi ko na siya i-repeat sa ibang show.
With that being said, you only have until the end of January to get a hold of
My
this.
13th month.
Oh, sulitin nyo. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, mano ka sa lola mo, pagdasal mo, meron siyang 1,200 para dun sa tote bag, o di meron ka na kagad dun. Hindi lang yun yung mabibili ninyo sa kanya, yung mga nakuha ko sa kanya, yun yung mga magagamit ko eh.
Yeah.
Hindi lang to yung parang, dekorasyon lang na ano. Tsaka I needed an update na rin dun sa laptop ko. Tanggal ako mga stickers dun. I need your stickers there. So yun, maraming salamat,
Alright.
Kimi. Pagpapahingay muna kita, time check is already past 9:30. And we will continue this in our next video, next adventure. For now, this is your Captain Mike signing out on behalf of Tarantadong Kalbo. We'll see you in the next video.